Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Rosetta Stone how to download lesson. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. First, what you need to do is ensure you have the latest version of the Rosetta Stone. To check it, head over to your App Store or Play Store, then type in Rosetta on your search bar, and then what you need to do is check if you have the latest software update. Then once that's done, tap on open and then log in with your credentials. Now once you are here, what you need to do is tap on this learn tab, that is a message icon tab, and once you're inside there, what you need to do is select the language you're learning. Simply tap on the drop down menu from here and select the language, and then select the unit that you want to download, and then there you'll need to find the download option if available. If it's available, then you'll be able to download that specific lesson. All you gotta do to download is simply tap on that and tap on yes download to simply download the selected content. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down if you have any questions, and see you soon in the next one.